This video we will show how to generate the program of the holding. For example, we will press the parameter button until the shortcut parameter appear, and this is the first page. We will choose 3 places. Firstly, we will choose the tooth. The tooth is single, so it has to be 0. 这个地方怎么改来的？0. Press insert and 0.
已经是0了。
OK。The post is 0, and the second place we need to adjust is cutting times. For the holding function, the cutting times is only one time. And do that.
有了，我刚才按照取下去加起来。
0，然后插入。输入。Input. And the third place is the next page. The cutting axis tooling. The cutting axis is because the holding tool is in a y-axis, so we have to choose 1. Then the parameter setting for the holding is finished. And the next step is we will choose the UDIX5 and generate the holding program. Press the program button until this page appears, and we will choose the holding program. This is for holding. Designing, drawing, and we will choose this 5, and then we will press output, and we will input the file name. For example, 0771, and we will press the input button, the copy 5, then this 5 is generated. This 5 is generated for holding. This is the secondary 5 for the holding function. Finished.